Welcome to the product demonstration of automatic lamp illumination control. In this product we are using LCD display, microcontroller, full wave bridge rectifier and triac diac board and one bulb holder with bulb and step down transformer LDR with the zero crossing detector. We are providing the power supply through this power cable. Here we can see the power cable. It takes 230 volts of power supply. That 230 volts of power supply will be given to this transformer. So here we can see the transformer. So transformer second primary side is connected to this power cable. So the primary side it takes 230 volts of power supply, and the secondary side we can see here it will step down up to 12 volts AC. That 12 volts AC will be given to this bridge rectifier. So we know that the bridge rectifier converts AC to DC. So that DC will be utilized by this system. And also here we can see CNS05 regulator. So it takes 12 volts AC DC power supply and will give 5 volts DC power supply. So the output of this regulator is 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given to this PIC microcontroller, because PIC microcontroller will works on the 5 volts. So it doesn't work on more than 5 volts or less than 5 volts. That's why we are using 7805 voltage regulator. And also we are connecting this 12 volts AC power supply to this zero crossing detector. So it will identify the starting frequency. That frequency will be starting frequency will be calculated in DC values. So here we can see a small rectifier. So it will convert AC to DC. That DC value will be given to this PIC microcontroller. So the main purpose of this zero crossing detector is to identify the starting frequency waveform. And also here we can see LDR. So LDR will identify the light. Based on the light, this bulb will be glow. And again here we can see we are using PIR sensor. So PIR sensor will detect the human activity. If the human's presence in a room, so it will give a signal to this PIC microcontroller. The PIC microcontroller will process that signal. The signal will be given to these systems. And also here we can see triac diac board. So the 230 volts is connected parallel to this triac board with the lamp holder. So now we will show you how it will be works. So whenever a person will be detected by this PIR sensor, then only this system will be works. So now if I do like this, so which means LDR get dark mode, then the light intensity is become high. If LDR get high light, then this light will be small. For example, I am using my phone torch light. So now it is become zero light. And also here we can see the present. So now it is showing the 0. So whenever it doesn't detect any human, it will show as a 0. Then automatically bulb will get switched off. Now I have covered the PIR sensor through this phone. So when it is zero motion, then it will show as a 0. So it detected motion, that's why the bulb will get switched on. So based on this LDR signal, this light will be glow. So here we can see LDR is connected to C7 C4 pin, and it will be process the signal. The signal will be given to this triac. So we know that triac is a power electronic device which is works on the high voltages only. So 230 volts is controlling by this triac board. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.